Hello, my name is Michael Niren. I'm an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about applying as a management consultant under the TN visa category. As you may know, Canadians could apply for a U.S. work visa if they have an occupation under the NAFTA list of occupations. And one of those occupations is a management consultant. Now the trick with management consultants is that it's a very tough category to qualify for, because it's one of the few occupations under the NAFTA list that do not require a university degree. However, that doesn't mean that if you go to the border and you present your papers explaining that you're a management consultant, you will get approved. Quite the contrary. It's very difficult to get approved as a management consultant. And one of the reasons is because there's a misconception about what a management consultant is. A management consultant is not typically what you think. It's not a manager or someone who just merely manages people. Rather, a management consultant is seen more as a hired gun by a company who needs to hire someone from the outside to solve a problem, to fix some issue in the company, and then to exit out. So depending upon the nature of the company, they will hire management consultants to come in to potentially restructure or offer solutions, get in, fix the problem, and then leave. And that's more in line with the definition of a management consultant. At least that's how NAFTA officers see it. So you have to start with that. And of course there's credentials. Just because you don't need a university degree doesn't mean that you can qualify just because you call yourself a management consultant. In most cases you need 5 years of experience if you don't have an education, the required education, and you have to really show that you have the experience. If you don't have experience as a management consultant, it still may be possible to qualify if you have for example, an MBA or a higher degree, something along those lines. But if you don't, then you better have the experience, at least the equivalency of a management consultant. So hopefully this gives you some idea of the challenges that management consultant TNs face. If you need any more information, feel free to go to our website at www.visaplace.com. Thank you and have a great day.